order both of those rooms. The furnace room, I order a 2-pack of those. We can replace those tomorrow. The ones for the stairs, I don't want to take a chance on this light. I'd rather put a regular 100-watt bulb in the stairs. So, but I'll order 2 of the motion picture light bulbs. They'll be in today.
And you just screw those in place of a regular light bulb.
Right. So when it enters the room, it comes on. Especially for that room that we don't know where the light switch is. He may have hardwired it into one of the outlet lines. And that way, obviously, you won't be able to turn it off. But we don't want it to stay on all the time.
Hey, everybody. Good morning. I hate I didn't bring my mic. I didn't think about bringing my mic with me. But you guys are hanging out with me and my brother a little bit today as we are working on the project of doing renovations to our dad's church as we get it prepared to lease out. So we have a busy day today. We had a busy day yesterday. We went to Lowe's yesterday, not once but twice. And after breakfast, we're headed back to Lowe's.
Yes, pick up some cleaning supplies for today.
Okay, so we'll be headed back to Lowe's after our early morning breakfast to pick up some more supplies. We left out this morning. It's early, 6:30 in the morning, old dark 30. Is that what they call it in the military, old dark 30?
Dark 30.
Old dark 30. Because we have to have another productive day. My brother arrived from California yesterday. And if you've been here for a while, you are familiar with him. Let me know in the comments if you have seen him in the video before. I remember you were here helping Rob do the, what's that thing called when it snowed? Generator. The generator. We're working on the generator. So let me know in the comments if you remember, if you've been here long enough or you met via video my brother before. Okay, so y'all, this video may be real choppy. Sometimes I just grab and go and just start capturing stuff. But y'all, just come along for the ride because it's going to be a wild, busy day today. Today is Thursday. We have 2 more days of work left. We did get some good sleep last night, but we worked. I was at the church about 7:35 yesterday morning. Did not leave until almost 8 o'clock because we got to the house about 8. So it was almost 8 o'clock last night. But in any event, we're getting it done. How about that? Okay. I will give you more information, more details, and more history about exactly what we're doing and why we are doing it. This is the first time. I know many of you know that our dad was also a pastor, and just simply put, it's been a while now that God said it was just time for him to rest. Okay, so the building has been dormant for a little bit, and it's just time to move on to another phase. So how we came about this is just going to be so special and sentimental to share, but y'all just hang out with us for today. All right, our delicious breakfast has arrived. Meanwhile, he's still over there taking notes, making sure he has a list of everything we need to get when we go to Lowe's. Just like me, y'all know that's how I do. I believe in having a list. We've made it to Lowe's. Need to get a little pail for some water to do some cleaning. And so far, I've also grabbed these little scrubbing pads. What'd you say?
I don't think the pads go out.
Huh? You don't think so? You looking for masks? You needed some caulk. Is that caulking? Is that the stuff you needed?
Yeah, that's a caulk.
And I'm sure we had one at the house. Robert had one. Okay, you're looking for masks now. There's probably some over here with this paint stuff. You gonna tell the lady that work at the store where the stuff ain't at, and she works here. She don't know what she's talking about. Okay, well, let's see if masks are on aisle 12. where she said, how you gonna tell the peoples that work here where stuff ain't at and you ask them? That's just like asking somebody for directions, and when they tell you which way to go, or the GPS is steering you, you telling the GPS that they wrong.
People that live there.
I know, right? People that live there, you tell them they don't know where to go. Oh, you needed paint too, right? Oh, you talking about in the bathroom? You're doing. Why you in Burgundy? Sir? But that they have more red in it. Come back this way. Come back this way.
Which way?
Come back this way. Yeah. Yeah, look like you grabbing stuff with a lot of red.
Okay.
You know what? I think it's darker than that.
You think it's darker than this?
Mm-hmm. Let's
More
go
like,
up here. Let's see what these.
I think I got.
It's hard to.
I got cowboy hat.
It's a dark brown. Let's see. Let's grab this one too. Middle Earth.
Yeah. Think it's that?
I don't know. We just gonna make sure. They free.
Yeah, there you go.
We got to make sure we. Where did I get this from?
I know they all look the
I
same.
know, right?
I think we got enough to get us close, and then we'll.
Oh,
once we
wagon
pick
train
the one
right there.
And get closest next time we come here, we'll find a
Right.
can of spray.
I'm behind you. Huh? What you say?
I'm gonna call James to see if he's got a copy. Not
Okay.
that.
Well, I know he was using one yesterday. I wonder if it's still at the church. He probably left it. I wonder.
Something so restricted. It will be. Can't breathe.
That's what you're gonna get.
Yeah, this
One
one.
right there.
I think that's it.
Oh, this is the respirator mask.
Yeah, I don't want something so restricted. I can't breathe. I just wanna.
Why do you need masks though? Why you need masks?
You know, just as you cleaning downstairs and we're sweeping
Yes.
down there.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
Just you don't want to be sucking in all that.
Exactly. These will work.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. 240, 80.
Do they have the different like the sand blocks? Do they have like one
One
is
side.
one side is it called grit? What is it called?
This is these are sponge blocks, super sponge finish. 220 is what you want to use right before you paint. So let me see what this is.
Let's see.
This is a lot though. I don't need this much.
Well, you definitely don't need that much.
Here's an assortment. We got an assortment. Let's do this.
Okay. Good. So this exit light is working, and now working on the last one. Once he gets it off, it's just a matter of putting a bulb in it, getting the globe cleaned out, and putting it back up. You make me nervous when you be letting it go.
Well, this screw is holding it.
Oh, okay.
The thing is, if I do this in the way I did the other one,
Mm-hmm.
well, now let's see, I need to get this dirt out.
Yeah, we gotta get that cleaned out. All the little bugs and critters. How they get in there? They must be awfully little to get in there. All the little bugs and critters at the bottom of the light.
You got the screws in your hand too? Okay, here, you just handle them one at a time. Let me get this like this first.
Lights on outside. I thought there was a light for us. Oh, we did. We turned off. It must have been delayed.
Okay, all right, let me get this. One screw. That's the right.
This one is easier than the first one.
That's how the screw started.
And then it's like you have to take a break with your arms. Oh, we just came up a little bit.
So he still got that's leaking a little bit. We trying to figure that out. But they replaced all the toilets need to be replaced. So
So they passed inspection this go round, huh?
Good to go, man.
Good.
not even gonna
Daddy, that new unit be humming some kind of pretty.
Unfortunately.
yeah, they can work it, man.
Well,
It's permissible.
that, you know, I'm,
Yeah.
I'm resting, and the Lord is just blessing.
Yes.
But I just thank God for, you know, Minister Ingham, I had already gone to Minister Ingham, and I had told him, I said, you know you're supposed to be the pastor of the upper room.
Right.
Since the Lord let that song on my heart, it's happy, happy, happy.
Joy all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Look, let me tell you something. Minister Ingham was here yesterday. He walked through here crying. He just
He always does.
Every time he
He
walked
always
through.
does. He cries. Yeah.
But they think I be trying to be mean.
Yeah.
No, I ain't trying to be mean. I'm just trying to work out my soul salvation because the Lord coming back here real soon.
Right here.
Now you can get back to your grits and your eggs and your bacon.
Right.
Hey, we went
No, though, but if Donnie's is coming out there,
Yeah.
she might be gonna fix me something.
Oh,
Oh,
she
yeah,
shows she
yeah.
gonna fix you a whole lot of
'Cause
something.
I know that
I know that.
I'll be in the bed.
Okay, you'll be in the bed. All right. If I want to come out and fix that light.
The Lord told me to give myself to reading, to exaltation of the doctrine until He comes, and that's why I study, because He called me to rest, and that's what I do.
And he be resting and sitting there
Resting
reading the
and
word.
reading.
Right.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fears relieved. How precious did that grace appear the